I found a missing sock in the strangest place, and it told me something big. Now, I swear that in every dryer I've ever owned, there's an intelligent black hole that sucks in socks. Or should I say, sock? It only ever takes one, which leaves you with a useless sock that sits forlornly in your drawer, hoping its twin will somehow magically show up, which it never does. Except the other day, I pulled a clean shirt out of my drawer and felt something lumpy in the sleeve. And out popped the missing sock, one that I'd been hunting for weeks. And I laughed because it reminded me of something that I keep saying with AI and AI tools. And that is that one sock by itself isn't very useful at all. And it's the same with AI. A lot of people grab the shiny tool, but they forget that they need to add in the human part as well. Just like one lonesome sock all on its own, AI needs to pair up with your judgment, stories, your lived experience. And when you combine the two things just click. You get to combine the magic that is AI with the magic of being alive and human. And people really relate to that. So if you want one tiny step that's going to help move things forward every week, go to onlinebusinessliftoff.com/newsletter. And if you've ever wondered about where lost socks go, save this video and follow my channel.